Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover embroidery on clothes, DIY wardrobe makeover. Embroidery is a creative and fun way to refresh your wardrobe, transforming ordinary clothing into unique, personalized pieces. Whether you want to revive old outfits or customize new ones, this guide will help you achieve a stunning DIY wardrobe makeover using embroidery. Why embroider your clothes? Personalization. Add your unique touch to garments with custom designs. Sustainability. Breathe new life into old clothes and reduce waste. Creativity. Explore your artistic side with endless design possibilities. Trendy, embroidered clothing is a timeless fashion statement. Getting started with DIY clothing embroidery. Number 1. Choose the right clothing. Select pieces that are suitable for embroidery and align with your vision. Tips. Opt for sturdy fabrics like denim, cotton or linen. Avoid stretchy materials as they can distort the design. Start with smaller pieces like t-shirts, jeans or jackets for easier handling. Number 2. Select your design. Pick a design that complements the clothing and reflects your style. Ideas: floral patterns for feminine touch. Geometric shapes for a modern look. Quotes or monograms for personalization. Seasonal or thematic designs to suit occasions. Number 3. Prepare your tools and materials. Gather everything you need to get started. Embroidery hoop to keep the fabric taut. Embroidery needles suitable for the fabric thickness. High-quality embroidery thread for vibrant, durable stitching. Fabric markers or chalk for design transfer. Stabilizer to prevent puckering, optional. Number 4. Transfer your design. Transfer your chosen design onto the fabric for precise stitching. Methods. Use carbon paper or transfer pens for accuracy. Freehand your design with fabric chalk for a more organic feel. Print and trace the design onto water-soluble stabilizer. Number 5. Start stitching. Use embroidery techniques that suit your design and skill level. Popular stitches, backstitch, great for outlines and text. Satin stitch, ideal for filling shapes. French knots add texture and dimension. Chain stitch, perfect for decorative borders. Tips. Start with simpler stitches if you're a beginner. Keep thread tension consistent for clean, even results. Work from the center outward to avoid bunching. DIY embroidery ideas for your wardrobe. Number 1. Revamp old jeans. Add floral designs along the pockets or cuffs for a trendy look. Number 2. Customize t-shirts. Embroider a small logo or motif near the neckline or sleeve. Number 3. Upgrade jackets. Create bold designs on the back panel or embellish the collar. Number 4. Accessorize dresses. Incorporate subtle embroidery along the hemline or neckline. Number 5. Personalize accessories. Add monograms or small patterns to hats, scarves or tote bags. Tips for a professional finish. Wash and iron the clothing before starting to ensure a smooth surface. Use a stabilizer to avoid puckering on lightweight fabrics. Secure threads properly to prevent unraveling. Gently hand wash embroidered items to maintain their quality. Conclusion. Embroidery is a rewarding way to revitalize your wardrobe and showcase your creativity. With a little practice and imagination, you can turn plain clothes into bespoke fashion pieces. Start your DIY embroidery journey today and enjoy the satisfaction of wearing something uniquely yours.